Well, welcome to the Home and Garden Show for 2024. This is our Kids Club display. We'll start here. Our theme this year is the circus. With one of our Kids Club leaders, Tom, brought all his circus stuff. It's been a busy last 2 days. This is the beginning of the third day, Sunday, March 10th. You can see he has a large display of circus equipment. Of course, you have to have all the tents and the flying trapeze artist, the animals, individual food tents. We always try to have a scavenger hunt whenever we do these, so the young kids can come and look for like the green elephant, the business guy, the lawyer, the different elephants. As you can see, it's a very large display of circus. Of course, you have to have all the elephants doing their trick. As we come around the bend, we have the circus parade, starting with the band and some of the fancy elephants that we have. You can hear the high railers in the background running their trains, getting set up, ready to go. Got a long parade here. Giraffes. Of course, you have to have another band at the end of the parade. Come the elephants around the bend. And we come to the city, and we have the pool hall and all their lighted cars, Chinese restaurant. Of course, it's Pittsburgh, so you have to have Iron City Brewing Company. Pennsylvania Railroad bus. Of course, it's PRR Joe, so we have to have Pennsylvania Railroad. Of course, the classic MTH building, Dewey, Cheatham, and Howe. Play off the Three Stooges. Keystone Bakery. It's one of our local bakeries here in Pittsburgh. Pennsylvania Railroad building. Hey, Floyd's Barbershop. Little Andy Griffith there. And then our Isley's, very popular place back in the 40s, 50s, and 60s, and 70s. And Jenny Lee Bakery, we actually have a person selling Jenny Lee goods. They still make them. They're good with cinnamon breads, raisin breads. Another police station, fire station. A little bit crooked, let me fix it. There we go. Come to the park. Train station. Of course, you know me and my homies. I have to have those homies out. Even put the cheerleader here. Cheerleader homie. And somebody's shouting out while she's cheering. And we come around to the other side towards the river. It's a beautiful venue. I'll show you a little bit of the venue here. As you look outside, we have the bridges of the Pittsburgh. We walk around, there's PNC Park. Used to be Alcoa headquarters. And then, of course, we have the Great Norfolk and Southern Main Line Bridge. It was a double-decker bridge built many years ago. We just use the top deck now. But it's fun working with the trains here and seeing all the trains coming across the bridge. It's also where Amtrak comes through. It's really the bridge that comes out of the Conway yards in the Baden area. Okay, back to the train display. On this side, we have another one of our members. He has the Menards Sacred Heart Hospital. I did find a homey nun, so I had to put her in front. One of those Bachman churches. Pittsburgh goods, dry goods. A little bit of an industrial area. Of course, we know what Morrison's Doors is. As well as another Menards, Neely's Train Shop. And municipal type building. Of course, the well-known MTH Fire Hall. And Regina's Soft Ice Cream. We're running the Isleys train since we have the Isleys, and everybody knows Klondikes, but they're favored for their chipped hams, so we can make barbecues out of them. They used to have their own coffee brand. They're a very popular place to eat. And the ice cream was, they probably had about 20, 30 different flavors. Of course, they were known for their skyscraper cone. And we come over to this other side. We have two young people that do this. Because it's the kids club, we like to have them involved. So we have Jonathan, a young man of 7 years old, who built this for us to display. He was here yesterday running, and he'll probably be here a few more times. And we have a young lady named Ruby who's in 4th grade. She made the decision to do the Erie Canal, predecessor to the railroads, of course. We had our canal system that come from Philadelphia all the way into Pittsburgh and up to Lake Erie. So this was her project that she liked to do, so we have that on display. And of course we have the freight yard with all the Ringling Brothers, Barnum and Bailey circus cars. One of our members likes Weirton Steel, so he has a number of Weirton Steel cars. These two are RMT, I believe, that they came out with this year, or in the past couple years. Pat's down in Wheeling is one of our local places that we go for some of our trains. And we have all the wagons. I do like this truck. We know that the Ringling Brothers Barnum and Bailey Circus is back, but not with the animals, unfortunately. More like a Circus Soleil. And we'll come back around to the very front again, and we'll end this one. We have 3 displays here. This is just a kids display that I'm covering right now. We will cover the other 2 in one of the other videos that I'll make. I normally like to keep my videos down to about 10 minutes maximum. So, this is PRR Joe from the Home and Garden Show, in the David L. Lawrence Convention Center in Pittsburgh. Thanking you for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Have a good day.